That was nice.
All right, y'all have a good one. Stay safe. I'll text you about that spot. Oh, yeah, okay. I mean, like, worst case, this gets dropped in the water. It's waterproof. And I can just get my glasses on and find it. You ready to see something cool? You want to jump? Like, take your glasses off, because I nearly lost mine. Oh, you have them off? Yeah. I bet. Hey, it's still recording. Ready? It's gonna hurt your ass, that's it. Your ass is gonna hurt, but besides that, it's good. Your ass hurt? I can definitely see something. You just literally climb it. That's it. Just climb it and you're good. Yeah, you have to put your feet on, like, I don't know if you can see where I'm pointing. No, just keep going on the side. Keep going on the side. That's what I do. You can do it like more like over where I am. It's easier. Oh, never mind. You got it. You got it. Yeah, your feet don't mean shit. You got it. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, he's good. Yeah.
I definitely thought that guy was going to eat shit at the last second when he slipped.
The worst part is timing it so you don't fucking stop.
Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. I can barely see where I'm stepping. You good? Back up a little bit. Oh. Yeah, I'm freezing kinda. Good? Holy shit, bro. Nah, you got it all. You got the game fucked up. It's easier over here. I said I thought that guy was gonna eat shit. Bro, I can't get over that, bro. I can't get over that.